Hey guys, I'm at HomeGoods right now because I want to go look at pots here. I came here yesterday and they had a ton of really cute pots and I wanted to buy so many of them, so I was like, you know what, I'll come back tomorrow. Yesterday was Friday, it was very busy, so I was like, I'll come back tomorrow in the morning, but I couldn't do it in the morning, so I'm here in the afternoon, so it's probably gonna be equally as busy, and I should have just filmed it all yesterday, but that's beside the point. I'm getting a little bit tired of having nursery pots everywhere. I don't know why. It's just suddenly I just am very annoyed by nursery pots, and I love looking at different cute pots. At Goodwill I've been buying a lot of pots, but honestly in my area the prices of pots or just anything in Goodwill is just insane. Like, I could buy a brand new pot from Ross at the same price that I could get it at Goodwill, and it's like, okay, let's just go to the source then where we could get a new pot. But yeah, so we're gonna check out HomeGoods. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's not too busy, but there's definitely gonna be a lot of cute stuff, so here we go. Okay, so we are gonna start off looking over here. As you can see, they have like so many pots. I've never seen them have so many pots. So many cool ones too, but a little crazy. I really like this pot. Obviously I'm not gonna buy it, but it's so pretty. I really like this like design on it, but $80, we don't have $80 for a pot. This one's pretty too. It's also $80. And this, a stand. I like this. There's these. I don't really like stands like this when they're trailing because I feel like it, instead of saving space, it kind of uses it. Don't like this. Let's see on the other side over here. This is kind of cool. $29.99. It's very minimalistic. This could be cute for outside. It's kind of lopsided. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, it has a little monstera leaf on it. I don't know how much it is though. These are weird. This pot is cute. I like this a lot. It doesn't have a drainage hole. I kind of like when big pots don't have drainage holes because it's kind of hard to find. It is only $25. Well, only, I guess it's kind of a lot. But it's hard to find like trays to put big pots. $2.99. I like this pot too. To put underneath them and catch all the water because I hate moving my plants around. This one's $30. Okay, over here. This is plastic. Isn't that crazy? I don't like it at all. This feels like it can cut you. It's $15. I feel like that's kind of a lot for plastic though, right? That's like the same price as non-plastic. Like ceramic or something. I think these are like candles. I think this is really pretty with like the fan. That one. I don't know how much it is. It's kind of rounded at the bottom, so it would be weird to use as a cash pull. See, this is pretty. It's cracked though. I don't think no matter how cheap a pot is, I don't think it's good to buy it cracked. I think there's a cute one back here. Ugh, I don't want to move that. It bothers me when there's like really pretty pots like this. Like, I love this, but then there's a fake plant in it. Why? These are some crazy colors. This feels like it could easily break. I would use this for like holding orchids, $10. Or this is cute too. pretty. I just don't know why it's upside down. Ugh. Danger. Okay. I put it right side up. That's so pretty. It's $13. It does have a drainage hole so you can directly plant something in it. See down here. Oh, this pot is super pretty. $17. I think that's so good for a pot this size, right? It does not have a drainage hole. Honestly though, like in all these pots you can drill a drainage hole anyways. I like this. I kind of want to get this. But this one is the one that I really like. And I would definitely get it. But it's weird when pots are short like this, because this pot is short for like how wide it is. And it's kind of hard to find a plant that will fit that. Like, this is big. Maybe like a philodendron or something. On this side, I don't really like these colors, but if you like colorful, then you would like this. Okay, I feel like this was not as cleared out yesterday, but we got what we got to work with. I like this pot for some reason. It's $10. I usually don't like it though when they have the drainage tray attached to the pot and it has a drainage hole inside. Like, I hate that. That is so annoying. But I really like this. It's like is it called palazzo? Is that even what it's called? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Terrazzo, right? Terrazzo, something like that. This is kind of cute, but same thing with the tray. This is really pretty. Okay, it's $30. I love this like speckling. I don't like these, like the wood part. Like, I don't like the color of the wood. I don't know, it just looks like ugly wood. Oh my gosh, I just broke a piece up. But I feel like you don't really see it anyway, so it's okay. And then over here, these are the pots that I love. They have like that white / terracotta vibe thing going on. This pot I really love. It's speckled, it's terracotta, it's glazed, it's $15. So I'm gonna get this probably. And then I really like this pot too because it has this wood in it. I think it's Tommy Bahama. Tommy Bahama. $17 for this big pot. But I don't really have a need for this big pot. I think there's a smaller one somewhere. Oh, up here. This one is so cute too. Oh my gosh, I love these too. How much is this? That's like 32 for 10. How much? I don't know. But I want to get this. And this one is so cute too. I think it's $10, yeah. Yeah, wow. Should have got a cart. Because this one's so pretty too. $10. I'm gonna go get a cart. Okay, I got a cart. I have these babies. They all have like the same vibe going on. Oh, I'm missing one. Okay. I actually don't know if I should get this one. Okay. This is really big. A lot of these have like chips and stuff, but I feel like you can always rotate it so that part is in the back. This does not have a drainage hole. I don't know how much it is. Let me see. It's only $20. Wow. This thing is huge. There's some of these. Oh, this is really cute. This is like the other one we saw. It's very like hefty. It's $25. These are pretty, of course. And then a ray gun thing, which Not a fan of that. Okay, and I don't know if you guys find these relevant, but I always love to look at them because I feel like air plants, tied to these always look so good. This one is $24.99. Or maybe if you have like a huge terrarium. I don't know if they're clean enough for that. This one's $25 also. But I feel like it's cool, like on this way, and just tie air plants to it. This is like a colorful version. This is a better size. I like this bigger size better. How much is it? 13. But I don't know how I feel about the blue. Okay, also side note, look how huge this Himalayan salt lamp is. It's $40, dude. Oh, this thing is so jabungo. Like, it's so heavy. That is so crazy. I wonder if it actually lights up, like how much it lights up. They have so many baskets here to put plants in. I love putting plants in baskets. I think I only have like 2 plants in baskets though. But this is kind of cute. It's $20. 20 buckaroos. They just have so many, oh my goodness. Ooh, I like this one. It has like some crochet. How much is this one? Let me check. Oh, this one's more white and shorter. Wow, there's just so many options. This is kind of a weird shape. Ooh, I like these a lot, but I never know like what kind of pot to put in it because it's so see-through, you know? Right? Oh, so it's $25, the one with the crochet. These are just so cute. But literally, what pot are you supposed to put in it? I feel like these are for hampers, $35. You don't need to use it as a hamper though. Oh, this one has a lid. Maybe you could use it to hide like plant supplies too. That's what I do. I have a basket covering my outlet. Oh my gosh, there's just so many. I don't think I would buy a basket unless I had an actual plant to put in it first. But wow, this is big. You could put a big mama plant in here. Here's a black basket in case you got like a darker vibe, or if you have like only black and white stuff. I don't know if that's a thing, but you know what I mean, what I'm saying. This is $40 though. It's like the only black one. There's some more wood here. This one is huge. Oh my gosh. I like clobber some of it. This is so big. Wow. They also have these little stooly things. I kind of like this one. This one's like a step ladder. It's $40. This one's $25. I think I got a similar type of thing from one of these stores before, and I used it as a stand for my plants. But it's $17. Guess you could use this as a plant stand too. It's $40 though. I don't know about that. Little stools and stuff. Oh, that's cute. It's like a bluish color or gray. Okay, like look how cute this is. Like, do you see how this wood stand is so much better than the other ones that I was showing you? And this pot is so cute, but then like there's a huge fake. This is actually really pretty together. I wonder what kind of plant this is. It doesn't look like any plant that I know, but if you know, let me know and it'll work out. All right, here's the lineup. By the way, this table looks so pretty with these pots and this like fake Strelitzia, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, bird of paradise. So I'm getting this one. Tommy Bahama collection is popping off today. I think it's $10, so if it's more than that, then I don't know. $10. I don't like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. Maybe I'll just use it as a cash bowl. Like you said, Tommy Bahama is popping off. This one's $10. That's why I expect the other one to be $10. I really love these wood details. And then this bigger pot with a drainage hole. for $15. So yeah, now I'm gonna check out. And I think this is a pretty good haul, right? It's kind of an expensive haul, but really pretty. This is the checkout line. Oh, they got some pots here too. Hang. Cute.
Jimmy Fund's mission was for cancer research and patient care at Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. We also have reusable bags featuring artwork on pediatric cancer research. These are available for purchase.
These are so cute too.
50% of the purchases.
Look at these bees. These 13. That is so flip and dip and adorable. I like this color. I feel like these legs could break off so easily though. They're so tiny, teeny weeny. And there's little piggles. Legless piggles. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, as you can see, it's dark outside and I was a little bit wildin' when I was in there. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get these 4 pots. And as I was showing you guys all the pots I was gonna get, I was like, in my head doing the math, like this is gonna be like $50. And I'd rather spend that money on a plant than, you know, on pots. And only 4 pots too. So I'm probably gonna stick to getting pots from Goodwill, but I had to get this one because I feel like it's so pretty. It actually has a drainage hole, and I don't know if I find a pot like, oh, this is the receipt. Let me tell you how much it was. Dun, 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 dun. It was $16.41. So I feel like that's a lot for a pot. Like sometimes you do find really big pots at Goodwill, or you can find them for free sometimes too at like in front of someone's house if you're lucky. So yeah, I'd rather be spending this money on plants than on pots. And even if the nursery pots bother me, like I'd rather see a nursery pot than not see a plant at all, if that makes any sense. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad I got at least 1 pot. I almost didn't get any at all because I was like, whew. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.